Hi, it's Kurt Clements over at Insider Show Homes, and I realized today that I haven't done a property tour video in a while, so I wanted to pop one out for you guys. Saw this property over here in Chatham with a buyer of mine, and we're going to do a second showing today, so wish us luck. But I wanted to point this property out to you. We come in the front door, and there's our coat closet that I magically already had open for us. Okay, we get that, and then when we come in the front door, we turn left, and we come right in to the living room. Beautiful new windows, wainscoting, hardwood floors. Looks pretty good, it really does. And this is the property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for $170, and I'm rounding here. But after we come into the living room, we turn right. So you see the big open concept. I'm going to back up just so you can see how deep this is. But this is a huge house. It's not a super large bungalow, but it's kind of like a mini bungalow. But it's huge in the floor plan. The reason why I say it's kind of like a mini bungalow is because, and let me get the light here, in the dining room. So very cool. The reason I say it's a mini bungalow in the sense of there's not a rehabbed attic. So usually if an investor has enough space, they'll be able to rehab the attic into a master suite. Well, the price range for this home and for the buyer doesn't allow for that. There's just not enough room. So anywho, that's why I kind of call it a mini bungalow, if you will. But this is, again, 2 bedrooms upstairs, which we'll see, and then 1 in the basement. Obviously, we're in the kitchen right now. Brand new cabinetry, and let's get a closer look at the backsplash. So it's kind of like a gray glass tint, if you will. And there's our countertop. And of course, we've seen this a lot over the last few years. The white cabinetry with the pulls. Okay? And there's our washing machine. And here, let's take a look at the flooring real quick here in the kitchen. We've seen a lot of this type of gray flooring. It goes really well with the white cabinets. The granite countertop, which is a darker color, and then the gray and black, well, not gray, I'm sorry, not black, but the gray dark backsplash. It's really cool. Come over here to the stove with the griddle, the 4 burners, plus the one in the middle. Let me get that for you, sorry about that. And of course our microwave. There I am, yay! All right, and then to my right in this galley style kitchen is the fridge. And again, you saw it before, more cabinetry. So, did a lot of work here. I'm going to turn, we're going to finish going through the kitchen into the back porch area. And again, for those of you that know Chicago bungalow, you always have a back porch, or 9 times out of 10. Sometimes they'll take off this space here, they'll all be gone, and they'll go ahead and do a deck. On this one, they went ahead and enclosed it. And again, have plenty of room here. Probably about, my guesstimate is about 6 feet, 7 feet width. New windows. Looking back out at the 2-car garage. And of course, the fenced-in backyard. Okay? And there's the door to the outside for the backyard. So we're going to leave the pantry, go through the kitchen. You can see there's the street scene if you look all the way down. I'm going to turn left, and we're going to go see the bathroom. Okay? Walking into the bathroom. We have the same tile on the floor that we had in the kitchen. Very sharp. Kind of a tan color of a wall. The sink, very nice, or the vanity. There's our potty. And then let's look at the tile in the bathroom. Matches the flooring. And then also, let me get my finger up here. You have, it's similar to what you had in the kitchen. So this is the bathroom tile. And then take a look at this. I'm going to put my hand up here. See the shadow? This is how big the shower head is. It's ginormous. I don't know how else to explain it. And then we come back down. I've never seen this before. I thought it was pretty cool and I wanted to show you guys with the faucets in the tub. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let's go, we're going to go to our left out of the bathroom. We're going to see one of the bedrooms upstairs. So you have a lot of room. Let me back up a little bit so you can see. Obviously tan carpet. We're going to walk towards the closet. Deep, deep closet. Bigger than most. And then there's the access to the attic. All right. So if I step off this room, we're about 1, 2, 3, 4. We're about 13. We look at the wall now. Sorry about that. So we're about 13 length and 1, 2, 3. Probably by 13 by 14 is my guesstimate, just by stepping it off. And we'll come over here to the other bedroom. I'm not going to step this one off, but actually it might be a little bit bigger. And we'll come into the closet area. So again, very deep closet. And we're over here in Chatham. And this is a bungalow, two beds upstairs, one in the basement, 2 bath, 170. Okay, we're heading down to the finished basement. This is very huge. You're gonna like this. So we walk down to the basement. There's the access to the back door, our control panel, and we have the chair rail and kind of a darker tan on the bottom and then a lighter tan on the top. Okay, watch this. That's a big basement. All right, so we walk them through the basement. You got plenty of space down here for your family, Thanksgiving holiday or what have you. Got a little Harry Potter closet underneath the stairs. We have another bedroom. We won't go all the way down, we're running a little bit late on time, but we got another bedroom here in the basement. It's going to be hard for you to see here, but there's a sump pump so you don't have water issues. That's always nice. Next room here, we have a bath, or bathroom. And then straight ahead, we have the linen closet for the downstairs bathroom. And again, fancy shower. I love the tile on the floor. And the similar situation with the tile. Shower head's not as ginormous, but it's still really big. And you have the shower wand, and again, the fancy hot and cold water. This is pretty cool. They put some effort and creativity in here. All right, yay, there we are. All right, backing out of the kitchen, or out of the bathroom. Next room here on our left is the laundry hookup. Okay, see the laundry hookup? Pretty decent sized room. Again, same tile throughout the whole floor. And then finally, over here we have the utilities. Okay. All right, so again, this is Kurt Clements over at Insider Show Homes. If you know of anybody that's looking to buy or sell a home, please don't hesitate to forward their information to us. We'd be more than happy to help them as well. We just toured a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, bungalow here in Chatham for $170. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.